When you think of Greek street food, you think of souvlaki, and usually it's made with skewered meat like pork, chicken, or lamb, but I'm going to show you my version using mushrooms. Now, I want to get as much flavour on the mushrooms before I fry it in the pan, and this is a great little trick. Get yourself a paper bag like this, add the mushrooms, and I'm leaving my button mushrooms whole because they'll shrink slightly as they cook. I'm then just going to place my hands in some water and then really give that a bit of a splash in the bag. And by doing that, the seasoning is going to hold on to the mushroom. So I've got a bit of a souvlaki blend here, which has a combination of paprika, it's got some garlic through it, also lots of oregano. I'm going to place that into the bag, just like that. And we'll give that a really good shake. And you'll see that all of these beautiful mushrooms have been coated in that souvlaki mixture. So all we need to do now is fry these in lots of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to fry them until they're caramelised on the outside and lovely and tender. These mushrooms are looking great. They don't take long at all to cook. As long as you've got that crust on the outside, that's perfect. Pitta has warmed through onto the plate. I'm going to serve this with some tzatziki, so just a really classic way of doing it. Tzatziki, combination of yogurt, cucumber, garlic, a little bit of salt in there. Spread that onto that warm pitta, and we have to serve this with some Greek salad. I've got a combination of tomatoes, red onion, olives, cucumber, and some extra oregano. And then our beautiful mushrooms. I'm just going to pile them on as if they were big chunks of meat. And let's put one more there. Final flourish of feta cheese, and I'll just crumble that over the top. And that right there is a delicious version of souvlaki using mushrooms.